The COS Tulare Trades Building instructional carts come standard with a workstation computer, 3.5mm jack, and HDMI connections for instructors' phones or laptops. After turning on the system, the projector will power on and the screen will lower. Lab spaces are equipped with a high-fidelity BirdDog overhead camera. This camera can be oriented for larger items and plans and has the ability to zoom in and out as needed. Standard classrooms come equipped with our standard document cameras. Selecting the device shown on the projector is as simple as tapping on the icon. The Audio Settings tab allows for control of system audio and volumes of the wireless microphone found in the lab areas, as well as the 3.5mm jack. The display mute toggle blacks the screen signal while keeping the projector on. This can be used to log in without allowing the students to see what is typed on the screen. The projector screen toggle will raise or lower the screen as needed. The camera control icon on the bottom right opens up the PTZ camera control. In addition to manual controls, you also have access to 3 preset camera positions. If you would like to override a preset position, just press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and a new preset position will override any previously saved preset. Labs come included with a Shure wireless microphone. Please remember to return the microphone to the charging station. The battery icon will turn on when the device is charging. Additionally, all rooms come equipped with a ceiling-mounted microphone for use with Zoom. Be sure the correct settings are selected in the Zoom application for the correct speaker and microphone. ShareLink allows for devices to connect to the system wirelessly. For Windows devices, make sure you are connected to the ACAD network. Press Windows plus the K key to bring up the ShareLink devices. Select the room you are in. You will be prompted for a code. The code can be found at the bottom of your screen. Input the code and press Connect. Click the Disconnect button on the top of your screen to disconnect. On Apple devices, slide from the top right of your screen. Press the mirror screen icon. Choose your room from the list. Input the code on the screen and select OK. You are now connected. To disconnect, slide down from the top right of the screen. Press the mirror icon and select Stop Sharing. If you need any help, press the question mark icon on the top right of the small touch panel to get the web help desk number. Please be sure to shut down the system at the end of your class.